Algebra. Hello everyone. Today we will study about Boolean Algebra. Boolean Algebra was developed by English mathematician George Boole in 1854. He found the link missing between mathematics and logic. In his book titled An Investigation of Laws of Thoughts, he discussed it. Boolean algebra is also known as the algebra of logic. In Boolean algebra, each variable can have two values, true or false, that is 0 and 1, binary digits. Boolean algebra is used for designing electrical circuits for computer hardware. Operands and operators of Boolean algebra. Operands of Boolean algebra are true, false, or 0, 1. Operators of Boolean algebra are and, or, and not.
Operators of Boolean algebra. As we know, there are three operators of Boolean algebra. That is, it is denoted by the sign dot and it is known as multiplication. Number 2, or. It is denoted by the sign plus. It is addition. And number 3 is not. It is denoted by the sign bar, single quotes, or by a tilde sign. It means negation. That is complement. Now let's see the rules of these operators. And, denoted by the sign dot, where dot means multiply, so the rules will be 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 0, the result is 0. 1 multiplied by 1, the result will be 1. Understood everybody? Next one is my or operator. It is denoted by the sign plus. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is the second operator. Now the third one is not, denoted by the sign single quotes or bar or a tilde sign, where not 0 is equal to 1, not 1 is equal to 0. So these are the rules, students. Now let's understand it. The first one is my AND operator. So in AND operator, if we multiply 0 into 0, the result will be 0. If we multiply 0 multiplied by 1, the result will be 0. Understood? Quite obvious. 1 multiplied by 0, the result will be 0. 1 multiplied by 1 and the result will be 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Everybody understood this? This is very simple. Next one is my OR operator. It stands for add. So 0 plus 0, the answer will be 0. 0 plus 1, the result will be 1. 1 plus 0, the result will be 1 again. 1 plus 1, the result is 1. Now, here there's a change. Students, 1 plus 1, it should be 2. But in Boolean algebra, it is 1. How? Now let's see. As I have stated, Boolean algebra is the algebra of a 0 and 1, where 0 stands for false, 1 stands for true, or we can say 0 means nothing and 1 means something. Now, if we narrate this in the term of nothing and something, let's see it makes sense or not. 0 means nothing. Nothing plus nothing, I'll have nothing. Nothing plus something, I'll have something. Something plus nothing, I'll have something. One something and one something, if we add, so I'll have something. Now this makes a sense. Similarly, true plus true is true. Understood, everybody? That's great. Now, come to not. It means negation. Where not 0 means it is 1, because we have only 0 and 1. If we say it is not 1, then the result will be 0. Understood, everybody? So these rules we need to remember in performing truth table.
A truth table is a representation of all possible combination of input values and their result in tabular format. If the result of expression or the logic statement is always true or 1, it is known as tautology. If the result is always false or 0, it is known as fallacy. The number of rows in the truth table is calculated as 2 to the power of n, where n is the total number of variables. Therefore, if there are 3 variables a, b and c, then the possible input values will be 2 to the power of 3, that is 8 combinations.
Now let's see the example. First of all, we need to prepare the table, and it all depends upon the variable. In the example which I have taken, I have used 2 variables, that is x and y. So if it is 2 variables, that is, let me write down, 2 variable it will result into 2 to the power of 2, that is 4 combination, right? So let's see how to prepare the table. The first, I'll write down x and y. X, I'll have 4 combinations. So first one will be divided by 2. That is 2 zeros, 2 ones. Second one, again 2, it will be divided by 2. That is 1 0 and 1 1. 1 0 and 1 1. So this is how we will prepare the table. And this will be my decimal value. This will be my decimal value, decimal equivalent. That is, decimal equivalent of 0 is 0 0. If it is 2 variable, decimal equivalent of 1 is 0 1. That is 1. Decimal equivalent of 2 is 1 0, which we have seen earlier. And decimal equivalent of 3 is 11. Even that we have seen. So is it clear, students? We can relate that. Now, let's solve this. So for solving it, first we need to solve x dot y. Let's do this. X multiplied by y. I'll take the help of the table. Okay. Is it visible? Fine. So, if I multiply these two, x multiplied by y, so the first row's result will be 0. 0 multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. 0 multiplied by 1, the answer is again 0. 1 multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. 1 multiplied by 1, the answer will be 1. Is it clear? Now, the next one is x plus x dot y. So let's see this. Now, we need to add x with the result of x dot y. So, for that, we'll take out the addition rules. Okay. So, 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. 0 plus 0, the answer again it is 0. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, the answer is 1. And 1 plus 1, the answer is 1. So, we can conclude x is equal to x plus x dot y, which we have said over here. X plus x dot y is equal to x, which we have seen. So, we can prove the equation by using truth table. Right, students? Is this clear? This is so easy. Now let's take another example of 3 variables. Question number 2. This time we will take 3 variables. Let's take a plus b dot c is equal to a plus b multiplied by a plus c. Let's see this. Now, first, as we know, if we have three variables like A, B and C, so that means we'll have 2 to the power of 3. That is 8 number of rows or combinations. So let's prepare the table. First, I'll write down decimal equivalent. So I'll have how many rows? 8 rows. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 students. Now my first variable is A, second one B and the third one is C. So let's write down, and as I have said, the first one, if I have 8 number of rows, so it should be divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2, it is 4. That means we will have 0, 0, 0 and 0. 4 zeros and 4 1. Next one, here I have 4. So it will be divided by 2. That means I'll have 2 zeros and 2 1. 2 zeros and 2 1. Right students? And third one, as everybody is aware, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1 combinations. Let's draw a line over here, and the first which we will take, that is B dot C. Let's see it. If we multiply, and I'll take out the rule of multiplication, here it is. If you multiply two variables, that is B dot C, that is 0 multiplied by 0, the result will be 0. 0 multiplied by 1, result will be 0. Again 1 multiplied by 0, the result is 0. 1 multiplied by 1, the answer will be 1. 0 multiplied by 0, the result is 0. 0 multiplied by 1, again the result is 0. 1 multiplied by 0, the result is 0. 1 multiplied by 1, the result is 1. So we are through with the first. Second one, A plus B dot C. Okay, so that means I need to add A with this result B dot C. Let's add. 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. 0 plus 0, again the answer is 0. 0 plus 0, the answer will be 0. 0 plus 1, the answer will be 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, again 1. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. 1 plus 1, the answer will be 1. Is it clear? Now, next, A plus B. Let's solve it. A plus B. If we add these two variables, so we'll add those combinations. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, again 0. 0 plus 1, the answer will be 1. 0 plus 1, the answer will be 1. 1 plus 0, okay, the answer will be 1. 1 plus 0, the answer will be 1. 1 plus 1, again the answer 1. And 1 plus 1, the answer will be 1. Now, A plus C. Okay, let's solve it. A plus C. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1. The answer is 1. So we are through with this. Right, students? Now we are left out with a plus b dot a plus c. That is, you need to multiply the result of a plus b and a plus c. Let's do it. And you all are aware, if you multiply 0 with any number, it will be 0. So this will be 0. Again, this will be 0. This is also 0. This will be 1, 1, because 1 multiplied by 1, 1. This is 1, 1, and 1. Right? So, we can conclude, students, the result of left hand side and right hand side is same. That means these two are same. So hence proved. This is how we will prepare truth table. That's all for today. Have a nice day.